Hi, I'm Sage, and I'm a junior here at Greater Hartford Academy of the Arts half-day program. Whether you've been accepted to the Academy or just curious what's on the inside, I'm here to give you a whirlwind tour of our facilities. The Academy sits on the expansive Learning Quarter campus in downtown Hartford, right across the street from Trinity College and only a mile from the State Capitol building. I'm here in the lobby of the Theater of Performing Arts, our main performance venue with two separate production spaces. We have our reconfigurable black box theater, which hosts our smaller shows, but there is also our 650-seat main stage proscenium theater with a massive control booth, an operation catwalk, and a 38 batten fly system. The theater building is also home to our theater design and production departments, whose students and facility work on our productions in our scene shop, our costume shop, and our newly created green screen digital studio. I'm here in the heart of our main building where we hold most of our classes. We have flexible artistic spaces that can accommodate our different departments. There are 5 dedicated studios for our dance department, 4 with sprung marley and a 5th with a wooden dance floor. We also have an additional 5 dance and movement studios for our students in our theater and musical theater departments. Theater and musical theater also have scores of more traditional classroom spaces for acting, singing, and so much more. Our visual arts department has an entire dedicated art suite with multiple creative spaces, a ceramic studio, a printmaking press, and an analog photography darkroom. Plus, we have multimedia studios for observational drawing and painting, and computer labs for all our digital media creation. Finally, our music department has a ton of spaces where they teach both vocal and instrumental music. We have instructional rooms loaded with all kinds of instruments, from percussion, strings, and keyboards. Finally, our music department has a ton of spaces where they teach both vocal and instrumental music. We have instructional rooms loaded with all kinds of instruments, from percussion, strings, and keyboards, all the way up to grand pianos. There are also individual practice rooms our students get to use every day, a full recording studio, plus our recital hall performing space, which during the pandemic has been converted into a socially distanced vocals classroom. I hope you enjoyed your whirlwind tour through Greater Hartford Academy of the Arts. If you have any questions about our school or facilities, please contact Reagan Bishop at 860-757-6302 or rbishop@crec.org. Thanks for joining me, and we look forward to seeing you at the Academy.